Hi, I'm Cori from Cori Style, and today's video will be a short one because I recorded this to be a short for YouTube, but I did a mistake and I recorded it horizontally. So I'm gonna show you a small unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed this short video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this cute blind box. I got this from a friend as a gift. I really loved it. And I just want to show you the character I got, which you may have already seen in the description. So in here I will just open the box and show you the process to assemble this character. Inside the box we can find the character card plus the accessories. And we got Kuromi. I really like the design because I was not expecting it to be sparkly, so I think that is something very cute. I really liked all the details on the character card, of course on the figure, and also on the accessories. In here I'm gonna show you each of the items that were inside the box, and I will just quickly show you how I assembled it. It was very easy to put everything together, and I really love the final result. I still love that it's kind of clear and it's also very sparkly. I don't have many blind boxes characters, but I always love to collect the character cards too. And I ended up placing it on my K-pop collection of plushies and albums, and I think it fits very nicely in here. And well, that will be it for today, my friends. I hope you have a nice day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye!